In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off DNSSEC in GoDaddy domain. DNSSEC, or Domain Name System Security Extensions, adds an extra layer of validation to your domain's DNS responses. It's useful for security, but if you're migrating DNS providers, changing name servers, or troubleshooting resolution errors, you may need to turn it off temporarily. I'll show you exactly where this setting lives in GoDaddy and how to disable it safely. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. Type GoDaddy, then click the official GoDaddy website in the results. Sign in to your account with your usual credentials. After you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your username to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything in your account. Find the domain you want to work on. Make sure you're selecting the correct one if you manage multiple, and open its settings page. On the Domains page, look for the DNS option and click DNS to open the DNS Management area. This is where you'll see your records and a few security-related settings. Within DNS Management, locate the DNSSEC section and click DNSSEC. If DNSSEC is currently enabled, you'll see options related to the existing DS records. To disable it, click Turn off DNSSEC. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental changes. Click Turn off DNSSEC again to confirm. That's it. The setting is now disabled. Changes like this can take a little time to propagate. In many cases, it's quick, but it may take up to a few hours before every resolver reflects the update. If you turned DNSSEC off to switch name servers or move to a different DNS host, wait for the change to settle before making additional edits so you avoid mixed states. A few tips as you wrap up. Disabling DNSSEC reduces protection against certain spoofing attacks, so only keep it off for as long as necessary. If you're planning to re-enable it later, make sure you use the DS record values provided by your current DNS host, as those values are specific to each provider. And if you don't see the DNSSEC option in GoDaddy, your domain may be using external name servers. In that case, manage DNSSEC where your DNS is hosted. You've successfully turned off DNSSEC in your GoDaddy domain. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully when making DNS changes.